Maybe after watching some series like Money Heist, or some movies like Fast and Furious, or this kind of movies, you've thought many times by yourself, for getting rich I can rob a bank or jewelry store, and then after that I can buy a luxury villa and keep on my life. Well, seems like it's pretty easy, but even robbing a bank is a kind of business. But how? For example, you cannot enter the bank randomly with a gun and start shouting at people, wrap up the monies and run away. You should plan even for this many months before doing that. You should find escape ways, you should choose good car for escaping, take a look at the bank map and structure, take a look at the streets next to the bank. Even you should build a team. You cannot rob a bank by yourself. You need driver, you need some people to cover you. You should find safe deposits expert to open it. Even like a business that you are finding your target audience and your financial goals, you should find your target bank and set a financial goal. How much money you wanna steal, how much money you wanna rob. I know, man, it's like a business. After robbing a bank and you can run away from the cops, you should think that, okay, how should invest that money? You should work with that money. Even in bank, if the cops catch you, you go to jail. Also in the business, if you cannot handle your expenses, if you cannot pay your debts, well, you're also gonna go to jail. It's the same, I guess, isn't it? Well, of course, starting a business has better risk to reward ratio because at least nobody chasing you. You haven't done any criminal things. And also for robbing a bank, you should find a mentor, which is really hard to find. But for business, you can find business coach, you can find mentor, you can find bunch of videos out there on YouTube or courses. Then you can learn how to do business. So it's pretty easy, isn't it? So next time, if you thought let's rob a bank to get rich, sit somewhere, think, find a good idea, write a good business plan, find a good team, do your research, and with less stress, start your business. Instead of robbing a bank, try to build a bank or buy a bank to rob more people. To do business. Just kidding. If you don't know how you can start your business from scratch, I have created a video up here, how to start your business from scratch in 5 easy and fast steps. Also watch this video, and if you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.